Love is a Truck by Amy Noveski, read to you by Grandma. Love is a truck, shiny and new, lights and sirens that go woo, woo, woo. Love is a fire engine, red as a heart, a ladder truck, spotted dog in the back. Love is a dump truck, rounded with dirt, a bulldozer, a digger, a rolling cement mixer. Love is a loader, love is a lifter, a truck on a truck, a flatbed trailer. Love is an ice cream truck, the sweetest truck of all. Love is a kid who lines them all up, biggest to smallest, color by color. A truck parade, a parking lot. Love is a truck to tuck into bed. Hold tight, lucky truck. Good night.